Hey, my loves, how are you doing today? Hope you're doing good. And we have a package from Dipped in Pretty. If you don't know about her, check her out. She's on YouTube and Instagram. She's a nail tech. I had to support her. I got these last month, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, I was like, ooh, I need these so bad. We like in the same state, we got a little bit in common. So I was like, I want to help. And plus she's a YouTuber, so I was like, I'm all here for it. I love supporting YouTubers, anything you guys do. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all the colors. There are 5 colors, you guys. 5 beautiful colors, and I'm gonna name them for you. There is Mermaid Kisses, Hello Sunshine, Aqua Holic, Bonfire, and California Barbie. And the first one I'm doing right now, this is California Barbie. I like these polishes. This one's very opaque, you guys. I only needed 1 coat, but I did do 2 coats for all of them. It's going really smooth. It levels out really good. What color is this one? I missed the name. Is it purple? Yeah. Okay, so that's the mermaid one. Mermaid Kisses. I love her names, you guys. They're so cute. Okay, so this purple right here, I'm loving it. So these colors are like, I say like springtime, but also summertime. Like they're not too pastel to where they're like straight springtime. You can't use them for nothing else, but yeah. And this yellow right here, you guys, this yellow is popping. I love it so much. And what color is this? That's Hello Sunshine. I love her bottles. They're so cute. Okay, this is Bonfire. I like this one too, you guys. This is a pretty color. So my camera is not giving no justice. Like the colors are kind of off. I apologize for that, but if you guys go to her YouTube or Instagram, I'll put it up for you guys. But it's Dipped in Pretty. So when you go to that, she has a website with all her polishes on it. Her colors are more to what they really actually look like. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't remember what I was telling you guys. I'm so sorry. But this one right here is the last color, you guys. This is Aqua Holic. It's a pretty blue. I like this blue a lot. So out of all the colors, you guys think I probably like the blue the most, but I like the first one. I like them all. Too. I like the Bonfire one a lot. It's very pretty. And that pink one and the purple. Okay, so I got these from, was it Macart or Model Ones? I think it's Macart. Their foil little set they have with the stickers and the foil. I have a video on that too. This is like last year or something. But yeah, these things are, man, I had trouble getting these things off, like real talk. As you can see, I'm over here struggling trying to take it off. I should have cut that out. But yeah, I was just trying to attach them. So when you attach them, you guys, they will stick. So it's kind of hard to take them off once you put them in place. That's what I had to learn. So right now I'm just using a lip wipe to smooth it out a little bit more. Not the best. So I got a little carried away and I told myself I wanted the flames to kind of match the color of the polish, and I went a whole different direction. But hey, it is what it is. So I put it down right here, and I'm gonna tell you, like, I sped this video up. This took like 2 minutes just to get that off. It was a real struggle. Oh, I'm getting a massage. Yeah, I'm getting a back massage. How many y'all get back massages while you're recording a voice? Oh, ow, ow. I'm sorry about that. Okay, you see, like, that yellow, I feel like I could have put a different color on there, like an orange or something. But I was trying to find the flames that were, like, big enough. So I just left that one alone because it wasn't happening at all. Not at all. Okay, so hold up. Did I miss the pinky? Did that part get cut out the video? If it did, I'm sorry. If it didn't, just ignore what I said. So, yeah, I didn't know what I was doing. At the end of the day, do I love these nails? No. Do I like them? Yes. I feel like when I put the stickers on, so okay, some of the stickers that's in the McCart thing, like they lay really, really flat, and some of them you can kind of feel the you can feel the nail, you can feel the sticker on your nail. So I just put a really, really, really thin layer of builder gel, and I think that kind of bulked my nails up some more. You guys will see that in a little bit, but yeah, just be careful when you use gel, you guys. Like I haven't painted, like I haven't done my nails in a minute, so I think I might have had too much gel on it and made it a little bulky. And right here, I'm just trying to figure out where I want to put the flame. And I wish I had somebody here to tell me to stop doing this, because I didn't really like it. I don't think these are the best nails I've done, but it's my first time doing acrylic, and I did something to them. So if you haven't seen that video when I'm doing acrylic, it is the previous video, and I'll put it up for you guys in the link. So I'm applying Model 1's top coat. You already know, girl. I'm applying that, and I would say I made a big old mistake. I grabbed the wrong bottle, because this is the one I use for my fake nails when I'm practicing doing videos, and I should have got the one that I actually use for my nails. But yeah, it is what it is. That bottle is getting low, baby. Very low. So you guys let me know which nail you guys were feeling. Like, which one did you like the best? Which one did you like the least? And you know me, like I said, I'm going to show the good, the bad, and the ugly. All of it. You like it or not, I'm going to show y'all. So in case you guys do something you guys like, well, you messed up, I don't know what you did, like what you do wrong, so I won't do it. I'm just showing you guys the do's and the don'ts for someone who is not a nail tech and professional as myself. Just want that to be clear again. This is all for fun, but I want to start school very soon, so I'm starting to take this very seriously. I've been practicing, so it's like, yeah, I'm ready for it. And I gotta learn acrylic in school, so I was like, might as well practice on myself. So my thumb, you guys, I have no clue what happened. Don't ask me. I don't know why some of the polish is missing. I don't know what happened. I really don't. I looked down and it was gone, because it was there when I put the flame on. You guys seen in the video, so I really don't know what happened at all. But yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. And don't forget to check her out, Dipped and Pretty. She has a whole website, and she sells lots of stuff. She has polishes, she has polygel, she has foil, she has nail tips, and yeah, she got a lot of stuff, you guys. So just go and check her out. Yeah. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.